What are you going to eat for breakfast this morning, Isaac?
Pelican.
Yeah, are you using Mommy's makeup brushes to paint the floor?
I know.
Oh, did you just scratch the floor? Oh no. What happened? Did the floor get a boo-boo? Did it get a boo-boo owie? Oh no. Say, Daddy, would you mind looking at this scratch?
Whoa, look at that scratch.
What can we do? Can we fix it?
Yeah.
How can we fix it? What can we do to fix it? Did you do another scratch? Or should we rub it? Maybe we could rub it and say, here you go, floor. We hope you feel better soon. Do you want to rub it with a rag? Watch, Daddy can rub it.
Told
Told you.